suddenly, it's December, and you're not 17 anymore. And you haven't been 17 for a long time. But sometimes, you need to remind yourself.
Quite calm, relax, don't worry about it.
I told up in the side one time, but
Like, you have to come out and say, yeah, I know, but I'm feeling good. I'm a little bit worried because I think it might be a little bit more than just that. No.
today is the 2nd of December, and we are going to
The beach. Sorry, Ilashe.
we are going to Ilashe.
We're going to Ilashe, but we're not sure if there'll be chow. So, me, I had yam and egg with ogi. You?
I had cereal and I had pap as well. Yeah.
You're not serious.
Okay, quick intermission before we continue the video. For those that may not know what pap is, this is pap. Yes, it looks like custard, but it's actually not custard. It's a Nigerian meal made with fermented corn. And the reason Maru said she had ogi and I said I had pap is because it has different names to Nigerians. So Yoruba people refer to pap as ogi and Igbo people refer to pap as akamu. So pap, akamu, ogi, they're all the same thing. It's a meal made out of fermented corn for those that do not know. So yeah, let's continue.
Period.
In this moment.
Oh, yeah, I'm actually feeling a bit sticky.
We'll be fine. Yeah.
I've
been relaxing this right now.
How do you feel, Abiola?
So calm.
I showed up in the side one time because the moon controls the waves. So
Yeah.
I'm serious.
Oh, yeah, I know, but we wouldn't have
Team period. How is everyone feeling now? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling? Why are you smiling?
I'm not with them, but
You know, because my face is fine, I'm not emotional sick. Oh! Guys, you guys don't understand, Sha. Sure, you can swim.
I can't stay too long in the bathroom. Like,
You can't swim. They should be asking who can swim, not swim.
That is so unfortunate.
like it was jump packed.
No. I was asking you when is there any feedback? But when you choose that,
You say
and nothing was happening.
Oh, you were the first to come, so Kaisi was first to go no the pay.
first to come last week.
Okay, that's how they happen. Tequila.
It's like
Oh, why did you drop us? Can you not come back to you?
No, we will stay with him.
Oh, no. He was asking for the cup. Sorry.
So I don't want my chicken to fall in.
Thank you very much. We are on another boat. How do you feel?
I feel bad. I feel really bad. Oh my god, see my eye.
Someone else is going to hear it, but that's not what this is. I was asking the questions I was interested in, and I wanted to learn as much as I could. This is why it's different.
Today.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys, look at the sunset.
Hey, dollar might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. Hey, dollar might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Yeah. Hey, dollar might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Yeah. Hey, dollar might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
When we break the code, no way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one out to get the stone. No way. Not one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do.
This is Maro. Maro, how do you feel?
Good, tired though.
Falake, how do you feel? Junie, how do you feel?
So hungry, guys.
Where's he?
He's like 7 minutes away.
Where's he coming?